In this video, I'll show you how you can fix unknown USB device. First step is you want to try and open up Device Manager. Open up Universal Serial Bus Controllers. Then in here, if you see your unknown USB device, what you want to do is try and right click on it, uninstall device, and you want to do that for all of your unknown if you have more than one. Then after that, press Action and scan for hardware changes. See if this fixes the issue. Otherwise, you want to find USB root hub. If you have multiple of them, just do it for all of them. But you want to do the same, uninstall device on your root hubs, Action, scan for hardware changes, and see if this fixes the issue. If this doesn't work, another thing you can do is search for Edit Power Plan, head to Power Options, select the plan setting that you're using. I'm using this one. So change plan setting, change Advanced Power Setting, USB Settings, USB Selective, and then you want to disable this one. So press on it and try and disable it, apply an OK and see if that works. Now I really hope any of these help fix the issue. If they did, please leave a like and subscribe, as that helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.